All right, we're gonna go for a ride here in a really nice 1957 Ford Thunderbird Roadster. Just like in the movie American Graffiti, but this one's raven black, not white. Pretty neat car though. This one's got a lot of options. It's got factory power steering, factory power brakes. It's got aftermarket air conditioning. Also has the wide white walls on it. You know, and the porthole top, 57 has a porthole top. So it's got a white soft top, black removable hard top. It's a beautiful car. I sold this car many years ago. I think it was 2014 to a local guy. Unfortunately, he passed a while back and left it to his family. It's just time now for the next owner to enjoy it and carry the torch. But man, it runs great. It's a 312 single 4-barrel. I think they're rated at like 245 horsepower. And that under dash air is nice. It's got a modern compressor on it with 134 freon. It's even got a little factory tack. It's got telescopic steering column. It'll bring the wheel out closer to you. Not a lot of room in here anyway, so I don't know why you'd want the wheel closer. But beautiful car. Looks great too with those 14-inch wide white walls. They're radials and not the bias ply. So they ride nice. This also has a, I think the whole thing is there, a Continental kit that comes with it. It was on there when I sold the car the first time. He didn't like it because it was too big, but it's kind of cool to have one if that's what you like. And they're probably a few grand, so it comes with it. Well, we're gonna go up here to our picture spot, take a few more pictures and some video for you so you get a better look at it. All right, we're gonna do our little walk around here with our classic 1957 Ford Thunderbird Roadster. It's a beautiful car finished in raven black. Gets dirty pretty easy, but man, when it's clean, it looks fantastic. All the chrome is in excellent condition. It's got the 14-inch wheels with the hubcaps, radial wide white walls on there. Of course, dual exhaust. Mentioned earlier, it's got a Continental kit that comes with it if you want. I don't know what kind of shape it's in. It's in pieces, but it has it if you want it, with an extra spare. The paint's old. Like I said, I sold this car 14 years ago and it was painted then. So still looks great. It's got some checking here. This rear quarter panel has some paint imperfections, but we don't hide anything here at California Cars. This is what it is. A beautiful car. It lasted this long. Been super well cared for. Runs fantastic. Upgraded air conditioning. Really clean. I'll show you the inside. Also has a hardtop, which is nice. So hardtop's in great shape too. Actually, it was on the car. I took it off because, man, you want to take the top off in this thing. It's the original door panels. You got this machined aluminum dash accents, which I really like. But look at this dash. It's in really good shape. There's even a plaque up here. The original owner was made for Ed Dunstan. Kind of cool. And they used to make plaques back there when you finally made it. Were able to buy your dream car. But it's the original steering wheel. You turn that little dial there. You pull on it, and it's telescopic. It's got a factory tack. The clock even works. I don't know how accurate it is, but it works. Little aftermarket AM FM radio, but at least it's not, they didn't cut the dash. It's one of those custom auto sounds. And there's the ARA under dash air. So these cars did not come with air conditioning from the factory. You had to buy aftermarket air and the dealer would put it in for you. So that's what this one has. Beautiful car, runs and drives great. Something to have fun for the summer. Here's the power plant in the 57 T-Bird. It's basically the 312 engine, 4-barrel carburetor. You're rated to like 245 horsepower. This one has power brakes, factory power steering. A couple of additions done. It's got a R134 modern compressor for air conditioning. Has an electric fan that's thermostatically controlled. It's always nice to have when you have air, a little extra cooling. But pretty cool. Got the Holley carburetor on there. We just rebuilt that. Also has an electric fuel pump. That's kind of nice to have because when you don't start them for a while, you got to kind of hold the key on and pump them a few times. End up with a little battery, so electric fuel pump puts the gas all the way up to the front and you'll be ready to go. And this thing fires right up though. It's just a great running little 312. And you can see the tack there. Interior light. Even got a cup holder, custom T-Bird cup holder. Didn't seem like they're worried about that kind of stuff in 1957. These little vents open up too. That's what the air conditioning used to be. Go 60 miles an hour, pop the vents open. Nice and smooth. It's got a nice engine dress-up kit. The Ford T-Bird aluminum valve covers. Little chrome air cleaner. Little air intake there. They even made a little cover for these. Like if you wanted the engine to warm up faster, like you say you lived where it was cold, you put a cover on that. A little forced air induction. A nice running little T-Bird. It's got historical plates on it too, so if you're in California, you get to keep those plates. I think the registration might be a little cheaper. Anyhow, if you want to see this one in person, come out to California Cars. We're at 2158 Union Place, the city of Simi Valley, California. Phone number is 818-591-1313. My name is Rich. Be happy to show you the car in person, take it for a spin, or if you just want to ship it on out of state, we'll put it on a truck. Put it in your garage next week. All right, thanks for watching.